Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody watched my video last night about putting a soccer ball, and I made a reference about how to make a soccer ball. And she was having problems, and we're emailing back and forth. And there's something going on, and I'm going to ask my mentor, Roy Brewer, what is going on here. Go to, just like in the video, frozen, apply. I guess I'd never really checked it. It's putting a white background. It's not transparent on the line, so it's going to engrave just a little bit. Now this is very easily fixed, and our soccer ball is a little more than 6 inches. We're going to change our nudge factor to 7. We're going to select our soccer ball. We're going to go to Object, Group, Ungroup, and we're going to nudge that over. We're going to go ahead and change that to a black line about 3 points. And make it black, and then we'll be done with the outside. And then just start moving objects with the nudge distance. And see, we moved a black square. Now when you click on it, you're going to hit that white background and just delete it. And then take these two items and just move them back. So there you have a transparent soccer ball. But if I figure out why it's doing that, because it is clear behind there, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.